Begin simply by adding the pearl barley and the hot water until it's cooked through. If you need to add a bit more water, as you can see, please do so until they're fully cooked. Once you have a quick taste and you know it's cooked, make sure to leave a little bit of liquid in the pan. Add the cinnamon and the sugar. Have a quick taste to see if it's to your liking. Pour all of it in a nice plate. Now begin with the decoration. I like to decorate it this way, however, feel free to just throw them all in. Traditionally, you serve it with sugar on the side in case people like it even sweeter. Enjoy!